Hello year 4, this is a part 2 video of unit 9 lesson 1. So ready with your learner's book page number 126 to 127 and activity book page number 100 to 101. Okay, now let's go to activity 5 word study learner's book page number 127. So now what study holiday activities and which activities do we do indoors and outdoors in both places. So tell me which activities we do indoor and outdoor. What are the activities we'll do inside the house and outside the house, like what do you like to do inside and outside. So you have to tell me what you like. You have to tell me now what activities you do, like do jobs around the house, you do indoors or outdoors. Go on a day trip, you'll do indoor or outdoor. Go to the park, you do indoor or outdoor. Spend time with our family, like so you'll do indoor or outdoor with our grandparents. Cook on the campfire, you'll do indoor or outdoor. Go out on our bikes, you do indoor or outdoor. Go to the sports camp, you do indoor or outdoor. Help in the shop. So this all the things you need to tell me. If it is indoor, just write I. If it is outdoor, write O. Okay. So you can write I and O. If it is like, if it is do jobs around the house. If it is indoor, just write O. This is one is outdoor, so you need to write O. Go day trip. So spend time with your grandparents. If it is indoor, write I. Okay. So once you finish, just write it down. So let's go to activity 6. Listen again. CD to track 23. In this, you're going to listen to CD to track 23. So listen to the second part of the interview. What don't the children like about the long school holidays? Complete the comments. So you need to listen carefully to complete the sentence. What they don't like about the long holidays. So listen carefully to complete the sentences. Reporter. Now let's move on to another aspect of the school holidays. I did like to know if there's anything you don't like about the long holidays. Who did like to start? Okay, Carly, off you go. Carly, well, I often get bored when I'm at home, and sometimes I think that the holidays are just too long. Joseph, me too. When I am at home, sometimes I'll run out of the things to do. Reporter, that's interesting and quite unexpected. What do the rest of you think? Louis, I see what you mean, but I don't really agree. I love the holidays so much that I don't want them to end. The only thing I don't like are holiday traffic jam. We always get stuck in a traffic on the way to the campsite. There are loads of cars on the roads because it's summer holidays. Reporter, thanks, Louis. Anna, would you like to have the last word? Anna, I agree with Jasim and Carly. I love school holidays, but sometimes I wish they were a bit shorter. Then it wouldn't be so hard to go back to school afterwards. So now you listen all the interview. Now I want you to answer all this and check your answers in the next slide. Now let's go to activity 7 word study learners book page number 127. Agree and disagree in word study. Look at the phrases in activity 6. Which word do we use to agree and disagree? So which one the children are agreeing and which one is the children is not agreeing? Okay, who is agreeing and who is not agreeing? Like you need to write the words like agree, me too, I agree, disagree, I don't really agree. So what are the phrases they used in agree and disagree? Okay, listen and write down in your copybook and check your answer in the next slide. Okay, let's come to activity 8, top, page number 127. Make a list of 3 things that you like about long school holidays. So this is your own answers. You need to write down in the copybook, this one. Number 2, now write down something that you don't like, about the holidays. And number 3, discuss your list with another pair. Compare what you like and don't like. Remember to use the phrases for agreeing and disagreeing. So number 3, you can skip it, just write it down 2 things and you need to write it like they have given the example in the box. I like long holidays because we don't get any homework. Me too. Something you have to use these sentences in writing. So write down, make a list, 3 things that you like. And now write down something you don't like. So you need to write three things you like and three things you don't like. So just write in your copybook. Now let's get back to activity book, page number 100. Vocabulary. Circle the correct preposition for this holidays activity. Now during school holiday, I do jobs around at the house. So you need to circle the correct answer. Number 2, our family often go in on a day's trip during the holidays. Number 3, most days we go at 2 to the park, to the walk, to the dog. 4, so you need to circle the correct one and tell me the answer and check your answer in the next slide. So you can do it by yourself before you go to next slide. So now activity 2 in activity book, page number 100. Now tick the sentences in activity that are true for you. So what do you think that you do it in the holiday? So you need to tick in the box, okay, in activity 1. So you need to tick the correct one, what you like to do, your opinion, okay. So do it. This is your own. Now we'll go to activity book, page number 100. Write about the pictures, use active 1 to help you. So you need to describe the picture, what's going on in the picture. You can go to activity 1 and use the sentences from there to write down for each picture. Okay, write it down and check your answer in the next slide. Okay, now activity book, page number 101. So use of English. Complete the sentence with the phrases to agree or disagree. So you need to use the phrases in the box. You can see in the box here. You can see these phrases. So you need to use these phrases to agree or what you agree for these statements or not. Like, I don't want to study, holidays are for playing. School is for studying. So I agree. So school is for studying. So you should agree. So it's for studying. So what do you think? So you agree or don't agree? So you need to write this for the each statement, what is best suited for each statement. Okay. Once you finish, please check your answer in the next slide. So now come back to activity book again, page number 101. Challenge. Write your own responses to the statements 1 to 5 in activity 4. So you need to write down your own statements like what do you agree, what you don't agree, what are the things you like to do. So you need to write down. So what you like to do from the activity 4. Like you have a statements like, so write your own response to the statement. So each one, I don't want to study, holidays are for playing. So you need to write down for each statement what is your opinion, what you like for each statement, what is your opinion, what is your response. Like, do you think yes, the holidays are not for studies, they are for playing, enjoying, for going for vacation, or what do you want to example? I have to write like that. Each one, there are 5 statements, you need to write down for each 5 statements. So thank you so much for listening. So once you finish, please send all your pictures on the class to or by email, and please let the pictures be neat and clear. Thank you so much.